Okay, so I'm gonna go down his street. Is there what? No, I think they have a hockey team. Yeah. Alrighty, Iris. So their street is called Falkirk. I know, Iris. It all got wet. It's not old. It just got wet, and storm water got to it. That's when you can't do anything. Yeah, it's crazy, huh, Iris?
But if they had a boat or something, they could probably rescue.
No, the water comes in too quickly, honey.
No, I mean rescue.
The people, yes, they sure can rescue people. So most of the stuff was already done in his house. He just needs to pull out drywall. But here's his house right here, the one with the blue door. Yeah, it looks fine, but it's all torn up on the inside. Yeah, it's all torn up on the inside. His dad hasn't brought out all the stuff yet, like all this stuff here. Yeah, I know. So do you want to see something neat? Look at the brick on this house right here. 4135. You see how it looks kind of wet and then it looks dry? About halfway on the brick. That's how high the water went inside the house. Yeah. It went really high up. The same thing on this house. You can kind of see the water line.
I can tell it when this was black.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Yeah, I did go through up the window. It's crazy, huh, Iris? I know. It's people's lives, people's homes. So, yeah,